Hello, friends. Welcome to Fuddy Rose. This is Vamshi back with another yummy recipe that is watermelon juice, which is very yummy, tasty, and also mind refreshing. We are going to make it without using blender, juicer, or crusher. So let's get started. So before that, you need to like, share, and also immediately subscribe my channel and click that bell icon for more recipes like this. So I've taken a medium-sized watermelon. You can see here I've removed the peel. You need not need to remove because I had so many scratches on it. That is the reason I've removed it. You need not need to remove it. So took half of it and I'm going to remove the fruit from it. If you cut the watermelon as shown in the video, it will be easy for you all to remove the fruit. So you need to follow my steps for the perfect recipe. Try to use a fresh and hard watermelon so that your juice tastes more better. You need to scrape out all the fruit using a sharp spoon. The spoon really helps, guys. You can remove all the red part, just remaining with the rind. Don't waste the rind. You can always make my recipe of tutti frutti with the rind by clicking this I button. Now, using the fruit, we are going to make the juice. Here you can see I kept a vessel setup which has a vessel and another dish which has so many holes. You can also use a sieve, and I'm going to cover it using a cheesecloth. Use this cheesecloth, or else you can also use the cotton cloth, and I've added half of that watermelon. And you need to crush it using your own hands. As I said, this recipe does not require any blender or any juicer. If you have a juicer, you can use it the same way. Crush with your hands. And actually, guys, this type of recipe tastes more better. You can also check it. You make the juice using the blender and also with the hands. You can blind test your own self. After all the watermelon get over, you need to squeeze everything. Actually, guys, in between, I've added another half of the watermelon. You need to crush it. After everything is over, you need to squeeze. Take your own time to squeeze all the juice from it. This type of juice actually does not require excess sugar. As the blender, when you blend the juice in the blender, some type of aeration happens in it. So at that time, you need some sugar, excess sugar, and do not waste that fiber. It's as tasty as a normal watermelon. You can eat it. Now I weighed the juice like 4 cups, and I'm going to add half teaspoon of black salt. This is totally optional. You can skip this according to your taste. And then to serve it, I've taken like 4 ice cubes in a glass, and I'm going to pour all my juice to it. See, once you try it making with your own hands and also make it in the blender, you can also blind test it. As I said, when you blend it, you will get some type of aeration. With that, you need some excess sugar. This is very healthy, and I also added some mint leaves so that it looks some colorful. So do not forget to subscribe my channel. Also follow me on other social media. I'm going to put the link in the description box below. So thank you.